Clearly, what this free passage now means is that it is going to ease a lot of pressure across the world, and markets are cheering this ceasefire. The numbers are reflecting that cheer. Sensex is at 77,562.90 right now. Nifty is at 23,997.35. Nifty, that means, is up 800 points. Sensex is up by almost 3,000 points. Even as everybody speculates how fragile this ceasefire is going to be, at least for now, it has spelled good news. Raghav Kalra joins us. He's a news analyst with our Times network. How do you decode this, Raghav?
Yes, absolutely. I believe this has been a good day for Nifty as we are able to read at the moment. Nifty has advanced on the fifth consecutive session with a substantial rise of over 3.5%, crossing 24,000 levels at the moment. Nifty has hit a 4-week high amidst the easing geopolitical consensus at the moment. The ceasefire, as we know, is impacting positively on Indian markets. Nifty has registered the biggest intraday gain since the 1st of Feb. Hence, it's a longer period that we have been seeing that Nifty is now being impacted positively. The biggest gainers have been Nifty Realty and Nifty Auto. Nifty Realty has risen over 6.8% and Nifty Auto has also risen about 6.5%. Nifty Metals has also seen a jump of 2.5%, which was expected by the markets if the geopolitical tensions were easing. This rise has been led by stocks like Adani Enterprise and Apollo. Hence, this has been the markets today, a good day for markets in terms of closing in the green.
All right. Raghav, do we see any long-term impact also? Because even as speculations continue that this is all going to be very, very fragile, what does it eventually mean?
Well, absolutely. I believe as per the investor sentiment and people watching the markets, what we're able to see is that there is a positive sentiment in the markets as the markets soared today quite high. But if the ceasefire does not stand, then there can be consequences in terms of a lot of stocks falling out. For instance, there are a lot of stocks like L&T which have a larger exposure to the Middle East, and these the stocks which have a larger exposure will see a drop. But as we are able to see right now, if the ceasefire stands, then there will be a positive impact on the markets. Other commodities will also cool out. For instance, oil, gold, silver, and even rupee has started to cool down in terms of the positioning coming down. Hence, at any point in time, if the ceasefire stands, I believe there will be a good amount of cooling down for the commodities and soaring for the markets, on the other hand.
Right. It also comes as good news for the traders, for the businesses. Not just in India, but across the world, because a free passage through the Strait of Hormuz also means that the crude supply, the LPG supply, all those restraints, all those constraints that had impacted commercial industry in India, because government had started rationing the supply to commercial establishments, that is also going to ease out. We've got